In today's video, we're going to talk about why you should always be using a stop loss in your trading. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Austin Silver. I appreciate you being here checking out my trading videos. Today, we're going to talk about my first trade of the day. It's Tuesday, January 7th. I took a small loss on GBP USD this morning before bouncing back, trading the same pattern, and covering that loss to end the day profitable with a long position on GBP AUD. You're going to see a recap of that trade in tomorrow's video, in the next video. But today, we're going to focus on the GU trade this morning because it drives home a very important point. And actually, it touches on something that I've seen a lot of people, especially here in our free Telegram chat, trading without a stop loss. And this video drives home the point of why you should always be using a stop loss in your trading. So you see my P&L here right above my head. You can see my buy entry on GBP USD this morning at 556. My price was 1.3158. Now, I was stopped, as you can see, the stop loss was triggered at 1.31429. So just about 15, 16 pips lower than the price that I entered. If you want to take a look here, also, this is a live shot of the terminal. You can see I was down about 10 pips here, and I was down not even 0.1% yet. So I took a very small loss here, like I said, and I was able to cover and end the day profitable, trading the same pattern. But what I want to show you, now that you've seen my entry price, you see the stop out, I want to show you why it's so important to have that stop, and more importantly than that even, why it's so important to use systems that have predetermined stop losses. A lot of people trade based on feeling. I made a tweet about that the other day, how it's crazy to me how people think they're going to feel their way around the market. In the same token, it's crazier almost to trade without a stop loss, because in this example, if I had not had a stop loss in, I could still be losing money. It could just be draining my account slowly as it moves against you. So let's take a look here at GBP USD, and I'm going to show you why you need to use a stop loss, why it saved me money today to have the stop loss in, and it made it possible for my day to be profitable. So as you can see from yesterday, price was moving higher. Had a strong push up here at 5:45, 6 o'clock in the morning yesterday, basically consolidated between 131.36 and 131.73. Consolidated between there from 6 in the morning yesterday, New York time, till about 3 in the morning today. That's pushing off the 200 EMA, and that creates a new high of day after that strong push off the 200 through the 50. So that creates this long bias. EMAs are coming into an uptrend. Price is making higher lows and higher highs. It's holding structure, so it's showing me we could look for more rise today. If you throw the TDI on there, that's also in the buy zone, which helps confirm the long bias. So I'm long biased looking for entries, and I was able to identify a D1 entry on the 1-minute chart. So that creates the risk reward that looks something like this. My entry was right as it broke the 50 EMA, stop at the pin low plus my spread, and we look to see this thing then on the 15-minute come and test at least high of day. Now, what ends up happening, if I hit play here on the replay mode, as you can see, is it ends up coming down and stopping me out. Now, had I not had my stop here at 131.43, you saw the stop here takes me out at 131.429, so basically 131.43. Had I not had my stop there, look at how low this thing goes as the morning goes on. Wait, it's not done. All this time as it falls away from me, if I had not been stopped, I'd be just losing more money, instead of being able to just take the loss, switch my pair, and go find the same direction, just another GBP pair, and make my money back and some to make the day profitable. So it's very important that you're trading repeatable systems like our D1, D2, or A1 entries. You need to have identifiable entry signals in the playbook. Then, with those entries, you should have stop loss and take profit levels that are preset. Plus, you should have risk percentages that are predetermined based on the based on the grade of the setup. The risk percentages are based on your account balance. So, with all of that preset, this stop loss was set at the second I took my entry. There's no thought involved in it. It comes with the system. So when I get stopped here, I know that I should not jump back in. I know that I shouldn't try to trade it the other way. I should just wait for the next one good trade. And it presented here on GBP AUD. As you can see, it's actually still higher than my entry price, but I'm already out of this trade. You're going to see this recap in tomorrow's video. Today, I just wanted to focus on GBP USD and show you why you need a stop loss. If you want to argue with me about brokers trying to grab orders or stop hunters or whatever you want to say, I don't buy it. I just don't buy that stuff. That's amateur talk. When you can prove it to me, like have someone that's verified that works at a broker and still works there and does it every day, tell me and show me, then I'll believe it. But until then, it's just internet talk. The stop hunters and all that shit, it's internet talk. Most of this trading is done by algorithms. We know that. It's not guys clicking buttons at a computer. It's just not. It's algorithmic trading, patterns repeat based on those algorithms, and that's what we trade within. This is a trade that was a B setup for our D1 pattern. You size into it small. It's the same pattern that presents a couple hours later on GA that you're going to see in tomorrow's video, and that ends up working out. So you just have to take the patterns every time they present, and over the long term, you're going to be profitable. So like I said, I hope this helps. I hope it drives home the point of why you need a stop loss in your trading. And if you have any questions, any comments, any concerns, hit me down below. I'll be more than happy to answer for you. Thank you for your time as always, and I'll see you in the next trading video.